morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Toman. It's time for math, where we're going to learn about numbers and counting. Let's do some review. All right, try to say the number of dots before I do. Here we go. 5, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 4, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, and 1. Did you get a little faster today? Each time you do it, you should be getting a little faster and faster. Okay, boys and girls, let's review the numbers you've already learned. Here we go. Number is this. That's right, 1. Just straight down, then we're done. That's the way we write a 1. Number is this. 2. Around and back on the railroad track. That's how we write a 2, 2, 2. Around a tree. That's how we make a 3. Down and over and down some more. That's how we write a 4. You go down, around, then add a hat. There's your 5. How about that? All right, and the number we're going to continue on working on today is the number 6. Down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we write a 6. All right, let's get started on the game now. Okay, boys and girls, for this game, you can use your writing grid. You need one die from your math toolkit, and you need your counters. So you can go ahead and pause the video and go, oh, and you need your dry erase marker and your eraser. So you can go ahead and pause the video and go get that stuff and come back, or you can play the game at another time. You can just watch for now. Okay, boys and girls. So let's get started on our game. So what you do first is you roll the die, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to write a 4 on your board. Down and over and down some more. That's how we write a 4. So then you're going to get 4 of something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me change this out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 yellow, 2 red, but together they make 4. This is how you write the number 4, and this is another way to make the number 4. Okay, so I'm going to try it again. I'm going to roll the die. Oh, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw a loop. 6 down the loop. 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we make a 6. So I'm going to do 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 3 red and 3 yellow. 3 and 3 make 6. So this is one way to show 6. Here's another way. And here's a third way to make the number 6. All right, and clear the board. We're going to roll again. Boys and girls, for today's lesson, we're not going to do any paper. I just want you to show me one of your rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, around, then add your hat. There's your 5. How about that? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can sit and then once you did one thing, you just have Mom take a picture like this. Okay? And then she can send it off to me. You can have Mommy take, or Daddy, or whoever your home helper is, you can have them take as many of them as you like. You can have 1. You can send me 6 if you like. I would just love to see your work and you having fun. Oh, how many's there? 1. So just straight down, then you're done. That's how we make a 1. So there you are there. And again, you can take a picture, send it to Mrs. Truman. It'll make my day. Okay? I'll do one more roll, and then I'm going to get started on a different game. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And down and over and down some more. That's how we make a 4. Boys and girls, you can do the same number over and over again, or if you already did the number and you want to re-roll and do a different number, that's fine. You can also play with somebody at home. There's 2 dice there, so you can roll one die and write the number. They can roll the other die and write their number, and then you can try to figure out who has the bigger number. And that's always a fun game to play. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Okay, boys and girls, Mrs. Thomas is going to play a game with you guys. You do not have this board, so all you do is watch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spin this, and whatever number it lands on, I'm going to cover that number. So let's get started. All right, so it landed on this one. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to find the number 4. There we go. Do it again. What number is that? 1. So I'm going to find a 1 and cover it. Up. 1, 2. Find a 2 and cover it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and cover it. Boys and girls, if you want to just do, you can make this yourself and take the die, roll it, and then cover the number. You can make this game yourself. 1, 2. You don't, because you already have the die, you don't need the spinner. You would just need to write a bunch of numbers all over a paper and then cover it, with the counter when you do it. All right, and do the next one. Ouch. All right, 1. There's 1 again. Going to cover the 1. There's 1 again. Oh, I don't have a 1. I roll again. Or spin again, excuse me. It landed on 1, 2, 3. Oh, I get to cover that 1. It doesn't matter what color you color it in. Boys and girls, you can do all the same. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, looks like I only have one more 6 left. And then I rolled it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, there's 1. Oh, I'm almost done here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. I got 3 more left. The 3, the 4, and a 5. 1, 2. I only have 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I need a 3, 4, and a 5. That's 1. Can't use that. 1, 2, 3. All right, I need a 4 or a 5. Let's see. 1. 3. 1, 2, 3. 6. On the line. 1, 2. 6. Come on. 1. 1 again. It won't stop going up. 1. Yay! Finally. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I got one more. 5. Come on, 5. No. I need a... Yay! I win the game. So remember, boys and girls, you can make this yourself. It was a lot of fun to play. You can just put 1 through 6, all over your paper, or have a home helper help you. You can use the dice, or you can use the spinner in your map. There's a spinner, but it has, instead of the die, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can play this game yourself. It's actually a lot of fun. All right, math is fun. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.